Hi guys, Joe from Luvele. Thank you for your interest in our Pure Plus yogurt maker. We're on a mission to share the benefits of making gut-loving, probiotic-packed yogurt at home. We have many thousands of customers all around the world who are already experiencing the benefits of homemade yogurt. Before we check out the features of our Pure Plus, let me share a couple of benefits of making your own yogurt at home. Firstly, store-bought yogurt just doesn't compare. In fact, many store-bought yogurts should be classified as confectionery rather than yogurt. With a mix of sugar, flavorings, and additives, they are far from a health food. Store-bought yogurts generally have a short incubation, leading to a low probiotic count. A long incubation or fermentation time is important as it reduces the lactose or natural sugar found in milk and increases the population of healthy live bacteria or probiotics. Secondly, making yogurt at home can be more than 70% cheaper than store-bought yogurt, as all you need to buy is the milk and a starter. This will help you save money while your guts enjoy a much healthier food. Thirdly, the health and environmental benefits of homemade yogurt are incredible. Homemade yogurt is not only teeming with probiotics that are essential for gut health, it also contains calcium, proteins, B vitamins, vitamin C, minerals, amino acids, healthy fats, and much more. It's not just yogurt, it's a medicine. And because it's made at home, there is no shipping or packaging required, no contamination, no plastics, and no waste. And best of all, homemade yogurt tastes awesome. So let's take a look at our yogurt maker. The Pure Plus comes with one 2-litre glass container. The key features that make our Luvele yogurt maker unique are: number one, our water bath technology. During the incubation, water surrounds the container, which allows for a more accurate and even temperature throughout the incubation process. A more even temperature helps to maximize the good probiotics in your homemade yogurt. The second is our 36-hour digital timer. This gives you the flexibility to make many different types of yogurt recipes. A longer incubation time will also help to maximize the probiotics in your yogurt. Next are our temperature settings. The Luvele yogurt maker can incubate yogurt at 36, 38 and 40 degrees Celsius, the ideal temperature range when making yogurt. Finally, we have our newly designed airtight silicone lid to create a plastic-free environment for your yogurt making, and our silicone sleeve that goes around the glass container to provide better grip when handling. So visit our website today to place your order and get started on making your own super healthy, gut-loving yogurt at home. We have loads of dairy and dairy-free plant-based yogurt recipes on our YouTube channel, so be sure to check these out. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for regular recipes and healthy eating inspiration. Bye for now.